Hey guys, I'm Zaina from Zen and Zatar, where I teach you how to create delicious, nourishing, plant-based recipes from the comfort of your home. Today I'll be showing you how to make this gluten-free and vegan heirloom tomato basil tart. This gluten-free and vegan tart is topped with a delicious cashew basil ricotta, fresh heirloom tomatoes, and basil leaves. I also finished it with a touch of Maldon sea salt. Now let's get into it.
First, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to add the dry ingredients: almond flour, gluten-free flour, tapioca starch, and a pinch of salt. Whisk all the dry ingredients together until combined. Next, we're going to add our wet ingredients: some melted coconut oil, a few tablespoons of cold water, and then we're going to stir to combine until it forms a dough. You may need to add a little more water, 1 tablespoon at a time. Once combined, the dough should stick together like so. Then grease your pan with some coconut oil. Luckily, I had my cat and sous chef supervising me for this portion. Make sure you get the edges of the tart pan so the tart will slide out easily. Then put your tart dough into the pan and press lightly to make it fill up the pan. When it's done, it should look like this. Then we'll move it to the freezer to set. Next, we'll move on to making our cashew ricotta. Add soaked cashews, lemon, olive oil, water, nutritional yeast, salt, garlic powder, and pepper into a food processor. Pulse until smooth. Scrape down the sides if needed. Lastly, we'll add some fresh basil leaves and then pulse until just combined. Bake your tart crust for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's firm and begins to turn lightly golden. Meanwhile, we'll slice these beautiful heirloom tomatoes for the topping. Once the tart crust is ready, we'll fill it with the cashew ricotta. Then we'll layer the heirloom tomato slices on top of the cashew ricotta. Bake the tart for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, finish it off with some fresh basil leaves and Maldon sea salt. And there you have it, a gorgeous tomato basil tart that's as tasty as it looks. So let's dig in.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love this recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I can't wait to see you next time.